At CKR, we definitely see batteries as being part of the solar mix. Ultimately, people have been going solar for many years now. It does offer that cost savings, but truly what we think about is energy independence, being free, and being able to generate your own power, store that, and then use it when you need it is really important. Obviously, we've had a couple of hurricanes in our area this year, and so 2024 really has sort of hammered home that need for people to have that ability to use their power when they want to. Not be reliant on the energy grid, or not even be reliant on generators. Ultimately, having a whole home generator sounds great, but what people don't realize is there's a lot of moving parts. They need servicing. And then obviously if the power has gone out for a few days, getting fuel, in the form of propane or gas, those mechanisms for delivering that fuel, don't happen, and then you run out of power or you have to manage all your loads. And so ultimately solar with storage does mean that you can power your home, you have that unlimited power supply from the sun, and you're able to live your life as normal as possible.